Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vim with Corey Vim Plus Design channel. So guys, in today's tutorial I will guide you how to download Revit Dynamo packages. So I have opened my Revit 2024 and by going to the Manage tab I have clicked here on Dynamo and my new Dynamo workspace is already opened. Okay, so basically there are two types of nodes in Dynamo. Like one are built-in nodes that we can find here. These are the built-in nodes and the other are the packages. Like I have already added these packages and now I will show you how to download the packages. And basically what Dynamo package is a collection of custom nodes which are created by Dynamo community. It actually adds extra functionality that isn't available in the Dynamo library. Like this default Dynamo library, that nodes are not available. Okay, now here by clicking on the package I can search for the package that I need here. So guys, please note, for downloading a package we always need network connection. We cannot download a package offline. So these are the list of the packages that are available in Dynamo. I can download the package that I want. So basically I want to download a package name called Springs. Let's see if that is available here or not. So see, this is available here, so I can simply install it. Are you sure? So it is asking, are you sure you want to install the Spring nodes? So we can click on OK. Okay, yes. So we have downloaded the package. So see, this package is added here in the list of the custom nodes add-ons. So see, this is how easy to download the Dynamo packages. So some of the useful packages that we need are, I will list them. Like the first one is Clockwork. We can simply download the Clockwork package from here. Like I have already downloaded it as this package is very useful for me. And the second one is Springs, third one is Rhythm, and fourth one is Data Shapes. So guys, these are the 4 packages that are very useful. So these packages can make your Dynamo workflow much easier and saves a lot of time. So guys, use these packages and let me know which package do you use the most. Let me know in the comment. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more Revit and Dynamo content. Thank you.